Hey, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts, and we got another edition of What's in the Box. And you can see I'm having a hard time holding it all. I have one box, and I have 3 envelopes. I know what one of the envelopes is, and this is the Liberty box. This is the like seasonal sew sampler that Fat Quarter puts out, and this is the first year I've done their seasonal, and so I'm not sure. I didn't even watch what was in last year, so I'm not sure what comes in it. And I'm excited to see. And then we get to see what else I got, because I don't really know. If you like this kind of content, hit subscribe below and hit the like button, and you'll get notified when I put it out. Plus, depending on what I open, there might be other content you like to watch here. So, let's get started. So exciting. I put my machine down today because we got a lot to open. Want to make sure we have enough space. So let's leave this for last. That feels like it has quite a bit in it. And let's just start opening what we have here. And this is from Fat Quarter Shop. I got several subscriptions there, so, and it's the next 11th Simple Whatnots Club kit. I've had a lot of people ask me about this kit. I've been doing a sew along with it, and it's not out there anymore. So, you know, you can get the fabrics, and they do have some older, like 2 and 3 whatnot kits or books that you can get, but this one looks like it's been closed. But as soon as I find out about the next one, the 12th, I will put it out there so you guys know, because I've had several people ask me where to get this. Oh, there's a lot of fabric in here. Oh, this is 36.5 by 36.5 inches. These are miniature quilts, and we're on month 6, and it's called Keeping Room. So they send you the pattern, and they send you all the fabrics that you need for this pattern. There's a lot of fabrics here. A lot of big fabrics. Usually we get little pieces of fabric. And they give you plenty of fabric to get your project done. And I'll throw some pictures in here just real quick to show you some of the other Simple Whatnot Club quilts we've done. My mom is doing this too, so it's fun to compare and talk about the pattern. So, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get notified when I do this quilt, when I put it out, because I do a little like tutorial walkthrough of it as I put it together, and maybe I run into some problems and I let you know, so that when you're doing it, you don't run into the same problem. So, all right, I'm looking forward to doing this. That is really pretty. Look at how pretty that is. So my 11th Simple Whatnots Club kit, month 6 Keeping Room is here. Woohoo! So this is from Keepsake Quilting, and it's the only subscription I have there, and I know it's the Boutique of the Month that I also get there. So I get a lot of Boutiques of the Month. I like to accumulate them. I used to do a lot of art quilting, and I want to get back into it. So it was really nice to like just build up my Boutique stash so that I would have colors to choose from as I'm doing my art quilting. So they send you a pattern. Oh, interesting. Someone wrote, "From one quilter to another, enjoy. Natasha. We can't wait to see what you make. Share your projects and tag them." Oh, cool. That's the first time I've gotten something like that. That's awesome. So, there. And this looks different. This one's called Dusk to Dawn. It's just, we got a note about the pattern. It's not any big deal. So, they give you 6 Fat Quarters in their club, where Fat Quarter Shop gives you 12. It does cost more at Fat Quarter Shop. I think I pay around $20 a month with shipping for this. But yeah, it's a great way to build up your stash if you're doing art quilts, if you're doing just blocks, or if you have you like scrappy quilts, whatever. I mean, it's just a great way to build up your stash. And this, obviously, Dusk to Dawn is purples and blues, and look how pretty it is. Ooh, those are constellations. And stars and galaxies. That is really pretty. And that is the pattern that they send you, and it's just a pretty simple pattern, and you should be able to make it with the fat quarter. Yeah, 6 fat quarters theme, 3/4 of a yard. Okay, so that's the Keepsake Quilting, and I'll have links to all of this except for the Whatnots Club, but I'll have links to the fabric. If you like the fabric, those are beautiful. I'll have links to Keepsake Quilting's Valley of the Month Club, because it's so much fun, and I put these in my stash, and I use them for my state quilt blocks. And like I said, I used to use it for art quilting. I need to get back into that. But it's just fun to build that stash up. So what do we have here? Oh, this is from Fat Quarter Shop too. It's probably a subscription. Not sure. I really didn't know I was getting the next Simple Whatnots Club. Oh, I signed up for the Holiday of the Month Club. And it's Halloween! I can't open it fast enough. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is June. They're sending Halloween in June? Oh, that's so awesome. Look at this. I'm so excited I can't open it with my finger. Oh, by the way, I had some words with a vegetable peeler and the vegetable peeler one, so I have a Band-Aid on. I have a Miss Marvel Band-Aid on. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Hi, Snippers! My kitty, when I start talking, he has to show up and get a hug. Anyway. Oh, I'm so excited! For Halloween! No idea what I'm going to do, but I am going to do something with these. I am going to figure it out. Oh, that's so fun. Look at that. It's so fun. I didn't even look. It's Bad to the Bone. Doesn't say who the fabric designer is. I'd have to look it up. Look on. Let's stand right there. People got to see the fabrics. People got to see the fabrics. Oh, come on. Yeah. I've been looking at this club for a while. I wasn't too sure. And I thought, well, I'm going to give it a try and see what it is. And I can't believe I got Halloween. Oh my God. I don't know what kind of seasons they're going to do. But, oh my gosh, in June I'm getting Halloween. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I'll have a link to this down below too. This is the Holiday Fat Quarter Club is what it's called. These are Bad to the Bone fabrics. I'll put a link to these fabrics too. If you don't want to join the club, they'll have these fabrics as fat quarters also. But that is so exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's put that away, even though I'm so excited to look at it. And let's get to the Liberty Box. Okay, this is Fat Quarter's seasonal sew sampler box. And what they usually do is they'll give you a card of everything inside of it, and they'll give you the value for everything inside. And I think with shipping I paid maybe $50 for this. So, you know, it's the value of what you get in the box is more than what you pay. And then the normal sew sampler I think is 32 or 33, 34. So what do we got? There's our box. Usually there's something over top of it, but this one doesn't have that. But let's start with this 2022 limited edition Liberty Box. I like to start from the top, and it usually starts with their fabrics. So, Liberty Star Spangled Fat Quarter Bundle by Andover Fabrics, exclusively for Fat Quarter Shop. So, you'll have to go to Fat Quarter Shop if you like these fabrics and grab it. Oh, say can you see all the bold stripes and bright stars in this fabric. This exclusive star-spangled 14-piece Fat Quarter Bundle is packed with shades of red, white, and blue that are ready to burst into your next patriotic project. And it says it's a value of $43, which I can believe it. That's a lot of fabric for 14 fat quarters. And there's the patriotic Liberty Star Spangled Fat Quarter Bunch. I am just gonna cut that, and we'll open these up real quick and take a look at them. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these, but they do send a quilt pattern. So since I'm not, don't have a lot of patriotic fabrics, I may do their quilt pattern. Because I'm not sure what to do with this kind of fabrics. I'm sure all of you are like, I know what to do. I know exactly what to do with those fabrics. But they are really pretty. I mean, red, white, and blues, just classic. Classic for our country. Ooh, that's pretty. Well, these are awesome. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. There's so much fabric here. Can't wait to see the pattern that they give us. I like it. I got another kitty in here yelling at me too. He's coming over. Our patriotic fabrics, those are cool. Liberty Star Spangled Fat Quarter Bundle. And they may have this up also. I'll put a link to the Fat Quarter Bundle if I find it. If you like what you see here, and you can just grab the Fat Quarter Bundle. Okay, next. Next is Sweet Snips 3.5-inch fabric scissors, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Life is sweet with the Sweet Snips from Fat Quarter Shop. These scissors handle fabric and thread with ease, and bright color hints at blue skies ahead for all your summer sewing. Whoops, well there's the magnet. I guess we got a magnet in here. So, look at this. You can always have some little snips around. That's for dang sure. Those are cute. Yep, those are really cute. But yeah, you can, and that's an $8 value, but you can always have these. I have 2 machines, you can have them next to each machine. So great notion, and I like the color. That is cute. That's by Sweet Snips Fabric Scissors. And that is, looks like Fat Quarter Shop. Oh, awesome. So, what do we have next? A Liberty Star Quilt Block Hand Soap. Oh, that's cool. Soap Escape exclusive for Fat Quarter Shop. After hours of binding, your hands deserve some TLC from the Quilt Block Hand Soap by Soap Escape. Made from goat milk and glycerin, this patchwork-inspired soap will nourish and revive your skin and senses. Oh, wow. And it's pretty, too. Look at that. Oh, that smells so good. Ooh, okay, that is pretty cool. Not a sewing notion, but something to take care of your hands when you're done sewing. Whoops, I put it in backwards. Okay, what's next? Liberty Enamel Needle Minder, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Value $11. Protect your fingers from stray needles and pins with this exclusive enamel needle minder. Coordinated with the Home Sweet Home quilt pattern in this book, it's also a lovely token to treasure this quilt. Oh, so it grabs your needles, but you know what? I wonder if this is for like, I've seen people use this to hold their fabrics together while they're binding. And there's times when I could hold fabrics together too, and you can do it just like that. Maybe not even for your needle, but yeah. Oh, that is really cool. I bet I could find some uses for that beyond what they say it's used for. I saw someone hand sewing and they had something like this where the fabric was folded over and they had this next to it to hold the fabric down while they were hand sewing. And I was like, that is genius. So that's cool. I was looking at that and I wondered where you would find one, and look at this, I got it in the box. So that's an $11 value. And that is a strong magnet. That's a very strong magnet. Okay, thread white and blue bumper sticker, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Celebrate the land of free motion quilting with this darling bumper sticker from Fat Quarter Shop. Adorn your windows, water bottles, and anything that needs a sprinkle of stitching. Oh, that's cool. Is that a window cling or a sticker? I'm not sure. Oh, that's a sticker. You can put that on your machine if you like stickers on your machine, your laptop. So, yep, that's really cool too. And that is a $4 value. Home Sweet Home Quilt Pattern, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. It says Quilts of Valor. Value $10. The Home Sweet Home Quilt Pattern is a beautiful reminder of our sweet land of liberty. Houses embellished with stars and stripes can be made from the Star Spangled Fat Quarter Bundle in this box for a special quilt that honors America. And then it says, learn more about the Quilts of Valor Foundation here. www.qovf.org if you're interested. So, that's really pretty. Look at those houses. So I am assuming you have to get the finishing kit, which looks like it might just be the sashing. Possibly the sky behind the houses. Yeah, it's probably the sky behind the houses, and the sashing and the binding is in the finishing kit. How big is it? 57.5 by 67.5, so not too bad. Not too bad. So that would be a good way to, for me to use this, since I don't work with patriotic fabrics a lot, so I don't know what to do with them. But yeah, you could, if you want to, mix up that block. Instead of having the same block in the middle, you could mix that up and put different blocks in each house. And that would be pretty cool. There's plenty of star blocks out there. Just saying. Keep watching. I'll probably do something like that. I have a hard time with monotony and doing the same thing over and over. It's hard for me. Different fabrics help it out, just like with this. These are all different fabrics that would help, but with a different star in each one of these, that would be really cool. So there we go. There is our Liberty box. And like I said, I've gotten their seasonal. I got their Jolly box and I got their Cupid box, but I haven't gotten their Liberty box or their Spooky box, I think they're calling it, for Halloween, which I'm really looking forward to that one. Really looking forward to it because I love Halloween. So let's see, 45 plus 8 is 57, plus 5 is 63, plus 11 is 74, and plus 15, so 75 plus 15 would be $90. It's about a $90 value in here. And I think I paid $50 for it with shipping. So very cool. Look at all this fabric though. Man, that is a lot of fabric. That is pretty awesome. Whoops. So there is the Liberty box with the soap, the fabric, the pattern, the soap, the sticker, this thing, which I was just thinking about getting. See how strong that is? That is really strong. That would hold fabrics. Even though it says it's a needle holder. Needle minder. And these little scissors, which you can always use little scissors everywhere. Everywhere. So there's the Liberty box. Fun, always fun. Oh, my holiday fat quarter, which I'm so excited for. My Keepsake Quilting Batik of the Month, which is only 6 fat quarters if you're not into 12 fat quarters. And the 11 Simple Whatnots Club. So I'm gonna have to figure out my schedule for this and get that out so we can start doing that also. But yeah, if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It really does help the channel out. Check out my links below for anything you like to see here. That helps the channel out also. And we can do more of these in the future. So thank you very much for watching this video.